AI-generated art is everywhere. From stunning digital paintings to hyper-realistic portraits and even animated films, artificial intelligence has entered the world of creativity in ways we never imagined. But here's the real question. Is AI art truly creative, or is it just an advanced form of copying? Some see AI-generated art as a revolutionary tool that democratizes creativity, while others argue that it's nothing more than a remix of existing works, lacking genuine emotion or intent. In this video, we'll break down how AI art works, compare it to human creativity, and explore whether AI could ever replace human artists. So, without further ado, let's begin with the basics. What exactly is AI art? AI art is created using machine learning algorithms trained on vast datasets of existing artwork. These models don't think like human artists, but they analyze millions of images to learn intricate patterns, color palettes, artistic styles, and techniques. Several powerful AI art tools are shaping this revolution, each with its own unique strengths. Let's take a look at some of the most well-known ones, one by one. First, Midjourney, a model that doesn't just replicate art, but pushes creative boundaries. It can transform a simple text prompt into a breathtakingly detailed digital painting, blending surrealism, realism, and fantasy in ways even skilled artists might find challenging. Whether you want a cyberpunk cityscape or a mythical creature in Renaissance style, Midjourney delivers astonishing results with an uncanny ability to capture mood and atmosphere. Next, we have DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, which takes imagination to another level by creating unique and sometimes mind-bending visuals from simple descriptions. You can ask it to generate a steampunk owl with mechanical wings flying over a futuristic city, and it will produce an image that looks like it was plucked straight from a sci-fi novel. The model doesn't just blend existing images, it constructs completely new compositions, making it an incredible tool for concept artists and storytellers. Then there's Stable Diffusion, an open-source model that gives artists more control over their creations. Unlike closed AI systems, it allows for deeper customization, enabling users to fine-tune details, blend different art styles, or create consistent characters across multiple images. This makes it an invaluable tool for designers, game developers, and digital artists looking to speed up workflows without sacrificing originality. Another early yet influential AI tool is Deep Dream, created by Google. Known for its psychedelic and dreamlike imagery, this model takes an image and enhances patterns within it, producing surreal, hypnotic visuals that seem to come from another dimension. While it may not be as widely used for commercial art, Deep Dream paved the way for modern AI-generated aesthetics and inspired a wave of AI experimentation in digital art. But AI-generated art doesn't stop at static images. It's expanding into animations, music compositions, and even 3D modeling. Some AI systems can generate entire video sequences based on a single frame, while others compose symphonies inspired by the works of classical composers. The implications are vast. AI is not just mimicking human creativity, but expanding the possibilities of artistic expression. However, this leads to the big question: how AI art is actually made? What is the process behind it? Well, as we discussed, unlike humans, AI doesn't think or imagine in the way we do. It doesn't have emotions, inspiration, or personal experiences that shape its work. Instead, it follows a process based on pattern recognition and statistical probabilities. Still, the results can be breathtaking. But how exactly does AI go from a blank slate to a finished piece of art? Here's how AI-generated art is typically created. Number 1. Training the AI. Before an AI can create art, it first has to learn from millions of existing artworks. During training, it analyzes patterns, brush strokes, color compositions, lighting effects, and even the emotional undertones of different styles. Second, receiving a prompt. Once trained, the AI is ready to generate art based on human input. A user provides a text prompt describing what they want to see, such as a futuristic city at sunset, in cyberpunk style, with neon reflections on wet streets. The more detailed the prompt, the more specific the result. 3. Generating the image. With the prompt in hand, the AI gets to work. It doesn't draw or paint in a traditional sense. Instead, it composes an image pixel by pixel, based on the statistical likelihood of what elements should appear where. It pulls from its training data to blend colors, arrange objects, and mimic textures that match the given description. The entire process happens within seconds, delivering a result that might look like it took hours to create. Chakra 4. Refinement. Not every AI-generated image is perfect on the first try. Many AI art platforms allow users to refine their creations, adjusting details, regenerating certain areas, or tweaking aspects like lighting, sharpness, or artistic style. Some tools even let users evolve an image, gradually transforming it with each iteration until it matches their vision. While this step brings more creative control to the user, it also highlights AI's limitations. Without human guidance, AI's outputs can sometimes be offbeat or unintentionally bizarre. While AI can mimic an impressive range of artistic styles, it struggles with original concepts that don't already exist in its dataset. This leads to the key debate. Can AI truly be creative, or is it just a sophisticated mimic? Supporters of AI-generated art argue that it has already produced stunning, never-before-seen works, some even winning competitions against human artists. AI's ability to merge styles and influences in ways that a human might never consider allows for unexpected and innovative visuals. It doesn't follow traditional artistic rules or biases, often leading to surreal and boundary-pushing results. With just a simple prompt, AI can generate highly detailed and intricate artworks in seconds, something that would take human artists days or even weeks to achieve. Critics, however, argue that AI isn't truly creative. It doesn't generate ideas from pure imagination, but instead pulls from a vast database of existing human-created art. True creativity is fueled by personal experiences, emotions, and deep cultural or philosophical intent, all of which AI lacks. Every major artistic movement throughout history was born from human vision, rebellion, or introspection, whereas AI merely follows patterns it has learned. While it can mimic and remix, it cannot innovate or redefine art in the way human artists have done for centuries. So, is AI pushing the boundaries of creativity, or is it simply a high-tech collage machine? And now, here comes the most interesting part of the video. AI versus human artists. Who wins? No doubt AI has certain advantages over human artists, but it also has significant limitations. Let's compare them side by side. Let's begin the comparison with speed and efficiency. AI can create high-quality art in seconds, while humans often take hours, days, or even months to complete a piece. So the obvious winner for speed and mass production is AI. Now let's look at the originality and innovation. AI can blend styles but cannot create something truly original beyond its dataset. On the other hand, humans have the ability to create entirely new artistic movements and ideas. So, in terms of originality and true innovation, humans are the clear winners. Now, what about emotion and meaning? In this case, AI doesn't experience emotions, making its art more technical than expressive, while humans infuse personal stories, struggles, and emotions into their work. For depth and meaning, humans are the winners. Last but not least comes cost and accessibility. AI allows anyone to generate art with minimal cost and effort, whereas humans require years of training and often charge higher prices for their work. AI wins. While AI has clear advantages in terms of speed and accessibility, human artists still hold the upper hand when it comes to originality, emotion, and meaning. However, the real question is, what does the future hold for AI art? As AI models become more advanced, they will gain a deeper understanding of context, composition, and meaning, leading to even more refined and sophisticated artwork. However, rather than replacing human creativity, AI is increasingly being embraced as a powerful tool by artists looking to enhance their work, offering new ways to experiment with style, detail, and efficiency. At the same time, ethical concerns and copyright debates continue to grow. Who truly owns AI-generated art? The artist who inputs the prompt, the developers who built the model, or the AI itself? And should these models be allowed to train on copyrighted works without permission? These legal and moral questions remain unresolved, sparking debates across the creative industry. Another major concern is the impact of AI artists on jobs. With AI rapidly improving, many fear that industries like gaming, advertising, and entertainment may shift toward AI-generated designs, potentially reducing demand for human illustrators, designers, and concept artists. However, while AI's influence will undoubtedly continue to expand, it's unlikely to fully replace human creativity, at least not in the near future. The heart of art remains deeply human, and for now, AI serves as a collaborator rather than a competitor. So, is AI-generated art real creativity or just a fancy form of copying? The answer depends on how we define creativity. If creativity means producing something visually stunning, then AI is absolutely creative. On the other hand, if creativity means having human emotions, intent, and personal experiences, then AI falls short. In the end, AI is best seen as a tool rather than a replacement. Just like photography didn't eliminate painting, AI art won't eliminate human artists. It will simply change the way we create. What do you think? Is AI art real creativity, or is it just advanced copying? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring AI trends, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution.